Welcome, rollers.
Woo!
We are so excited to have you all here for the final round of Kimley-Horn Foundation's Roll for a Reason event. The Kimley-Horn Foundation has been around since 2000 and has provided hundreds of thousands of dollars and now millions to the communities in which we live and serve.
Really exciting to have you all here to really celebrate. Excited to see what you all do for the various charities that you're supporting.
Let's get ready to roll for a reason!
It's really nice to just be able to culminate in something around the holidays where we're giving back to the community.
How could we do something that brought people together in an event where we can give away over $1 million total? A whole lot of fun to watch, a lot of money being given away.
All right, round one. On my call, 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby! Oh, man!
I'm playing for Paws with a Cause, a charity that trains service animals. When I knew that I was doing this for a charity, it was really easy to pick one.
The charity that I chose is OSTEM. Yeah, it's important for me.
This event really gives back to our community, which is also very special to a lot of us.
And go!
I'm just ready to have a good time, win some money for a good charity.
It's been really awesome. It's been a great way to get to know some new people.
Double. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, Ryan!
But it's really awesome that I have a charity that I really care about. To even have the opportunity to win this much money to help towards a charity was like really awesome.
Roll. This is it. This is for $100,000 for your charity, $75,000 second place. Again, we're all winners. 3, 2, 1.
I'm stunned that I came out as the winner for this. $100,000 to the Autism Association is fantastic.
I've been with Kimley-Horn for just over 2 months. Pretty crazy introduction to the firm. This really just makes me feel very unique and special.
You know, there's no losers in this, but the ability to donate any amount of money, regardless of where I placed, to the charity that was exciting. So.